just. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. I'm Tinziaki and someone noticed today. So as you all know by the title, today there's one small program in our college, and so we have to wear our traditional dress, and yeah, so I'm gonna go, like now it's almost 3:30 in the evening, so we have like program till 7 p.m. and then dinner will be served over there. So I'll show you how it's gonna be. And so I have like my chupa is on like chupa and makeup. We just apply a little makeup, just lipstick and blush. So that's it for like the program. We are ready and we're gonna leave, and I'll show you what and all program or activity they're gonna like held over there. And yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will try my best to upload more videos since I'm in Mysore. Because of college and all, I'm not able to upload video frequently, but I'll try my best. And yeah, keep watching.
Matching. Ma.
So as we reached our college, everyone was taking picture or a group picture, and we were standing aside because we didn't want to take picture, or I would say we were too shy to go and take picture with them. Yeah, basically that. And I'll show you our OOTD. So basically we are wearing a normal Tibetan chupa, as you can see, and Mingmer has so she has made our normal chupa in a Bhutanese style. Yeah, basically that. And it was raining before and we went inside our classroom. Now it stopped, so we came out and the program is almost done, and weather looks good.
Program
Hello.
To come and sit here, take a seat here. Purnama ma'am and Ramcharan sir, if you can hear my teacher.
The programs are changed today, and these are all our college mates with their own traditional dress. These are pushk. I think they are kurkis, if I am not wrong. And
Go to the audience. It's more like
Game.
Dakshinas, but the words are very ethnic. Okay, we'll be starting soon. If you make the music and this is your...
so Dilla, how to sing that? the program sama room situ. Oh my god. gonna go have dinner. Hi guys, we are done with all the music and dance. Now we are going and gonna have dinner. So let's see what
Party's over, guys.
So let's go and
So for dinner we have in dessert we have rasmalai, one of my favorite dessert, and also this veggies with carrot and beans, I guess. And we have this puri. I know this is a bit oily, but I'm gonna have it anyway because I'm starving, like literally. And this it's like kind of chole, I guess. I don't know, but this tastes so good, like one of the best things. And here we have a rice pot with raita, and the combination is bomb. It's so good. So basically it's a vegetarian menu and everything tastes so good. We enjoyed a lot. Yeah.
You said